Guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make a paper squishy. I'm going to be showing you the supplies you're going to need. Okay, so you're going to need some paper, some markers, colored pencils, or crayons, some tape. I recommend clear tape, but I cannot find the clear tape, so I'm using black tape, and scissors. If you're very little, I think you might want help from a parent. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is cut the paper, whatever shape you want. Okay, I cut it, and now it looks like this. Now, you fold it like that. Now, you color it whatever you want. After you colored it, here's mine, it's Skittles. You find some fluff. Here, let me show you. I recommend getting some fluff from like a pillow or something, or like a squishmallow. Okay, then you put your fluff inside the squishy and like hold it down, and then probably with your foot. Oh, look it, guys. I think this isn't the fidget. Give me the tape. Here you go. Thank you. And now when you get the tape, you need the scissors. Okay, I had to go get the scissors, but then when you get your tape, you cut it there, and then you put the tape on your squishy like this on the edges. And then keep doing that where it's like open where the fluff can get out. After you do all that, you got your paper squishy. Mine is Skittles, and it's just amazing. It feels so
love it.
Bye guys. See you next time. Okay guys, I'm gonna be saying shrimp. You have to go first. Shrimp! Shrimp!